Hi, Assalamualaikum and every good day to everyone. Today I want to present to you about my Bachelor Degree Project 1 titled Design and Fabrication of Machine Boat Propeller Hub Mold for Investment Casting. Firstly, my name is Muhammad Lukman Nur Hakim bin Ahmad Daham and my matric number is B09 1810150 and my supervisor is TS Muhammad Shafiq bin Jumali and my co-supervisor TS Zulkarnain bin Marjum. And I from BMMP Year 3 Semester 2. So, the first slide is for the presentation outline. So, we discuss about introduction, literature review, methodology and expected result, and lastly conclusion. So now we move to introduction. So, what is boat propeller hub? The marine propeller hub is the part which is bolted to the flank end of the boat tail. The propeller blade are bolted to the hub, which is the most important part for the ship and boat. We move to the most important thing of the research, which is objective. First, to produce the propeller hub blade from mold investment casting method. Second, to study machining strategy to optimize the marine boat hub blade propeller mold using CNC Machining Center and CATIA version 5 software simulation. And lastly, to study the suitable parameter for mold surface roughness. Next, the problem statement. In the industry, they have many manufacturing processes that produce the hub propeller, such as CNC advanced machining, casting, and others. But it takes a long time to produce that part. Complete part is the cost of the long time taken to produce this hub propeller. Beside the complex shape, this hub propeller is hard to get suitable accurate parameter for production. So now we move to the scope of the research. First, fabricate and design mold for investment casting for propeller hub blade. Second, the suitable parameter for CNC machining center for this mold. And then machining strategy, which is machine parameter. Then mold surface roughness. And lastly, simulation using CATIA Vision 5 software. So now, selected literature review. First, manufacturing of marine propeller. Marine propeller hub mold is manufacturing by using CAD-CAM to generate IC code to the machine or CNC. Investment casting. Investment casting mold is the first step of the process, which is the mold that created is to produce the pattern from wax. CNC milling machine is the suitable machine to perform the mold production according to their capabilities. Machine parameter. Machine parameter, which is a review and study about the depth of cut, spindle speed, feed rate, and surface roughness. Now, methodology. First, redesign the propeller hub, which is we redesign the propeller hub prototype that have been made before, and then uh, design the mold for propeller hub blade from the SolidWorks. After the uh, After finish design the mold, we develop a CAM process using CATIA version 5, and which is the most hard process that we go through. And then we go to the simulation CAM process, which is performed in CATIA version 5. After the complete the feed rate, complete the choosing cutting tool, tool path, and others, get the result and CAM machining. And lastly, after the all process are finished, we can fabricate the mold by using CNC machine. So after going through to the process, now we move to the expected result. First, the first expected result is get the suitable machining parameter CAM process for investment casting mold. Second, for this mold, we can reduce the time to produce the marine propeller hub process. Last, easy accessibility and low cost production. In the conclusion that I can conclude is the mold that will produce can be more efficient to continuity investment casting. The machine strategy have many things to fabricate this mold with that it can be speed up the production of marine propeller hub. And the most important thing is the process can be low cost production. So that's all from me. Thank you for your time and Assalamualaikum.